What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Ford Era. You got me, Solomon, here today, and I just want to wish everybody happy holidays. Today we are here with my 75 B100, and I'm gonna be cleaning it and doing some upgrades to it today. So the truck needs a good wash and the interior needs a deep clean. Super dirty. So when you have white interior, I don't think you can keep it too clean, but I've got some products to clean this up, vacuum it out. Honestly, I've never even really cleaned the truck whatsoever. Everything's just kind of messy. So first thing what I'm gonna do is clean up the front of the shop, just so that way blow all this stuff off, get that nice, and then show you how I wash the truck, and then start doing some upgrades to it. So we'll see you then. All right, everybody, so I just got the B100 pulled up. Everything's nice and clean on the ground, that is. And now we're gonna be using, I got this Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wash and wax. So it's a two-part. I'm gonna be doing 6 gallons of water, and I'm gonna be using 6 ounces of the main wash and then 1 ounce of this special ceramic booster. So I'm gonna mix that up right now. Here you go. All right, so I got the mix all together. Now what I like to do is just rinse off the whole truck, so I'm gonna do that right now. So being that we're in Florida, I don't like to get the whole thing wet because then we're gonna start getting some dry spots. So right now I'm just gonna start basically wash mitt with the soap. All right, so now that the whole truck has been washed one time, I'm going to grab the blower, and then I don't like wiping everything off. I like blowing it off. That way it is streak free. So the way that I do it, I'm gonna start at the top. All right, guys, so now it's all dry and clean. It is looking really good. What I really like about the Meguiar stuff is that it's hydrophobic, so it actually helps repel water. So now if it rains, it won't stick on it like it usually would. It'll just kind of glide off. And I've got the ceramic wax. I might even throw the wax on there, I'm not sure. But right now I'm gonna pull it into the shop so I can start cleaning the interior in the shade. So here we go. All right, guys, I just want to give you a little before on the interior. So I got to clean everything on the floor, vacuum that, but here's how the seats look now. You could see it's all greasy handprints, and it's just really not that nice. Back, carpet's garbage. You need a new carpet everywhere. And then need to bolt this seat down, get all the stuff put back how it was. So yeah, just want to give you guys a little before. Here is what I'm going to be using. It's a whole lineup from Meguiar's. I got hyper dressing, I got a citrus really good cleaner. These are some wipes, the interior detailer, and then this is the main thing I'm going to be using, which is their gold class rich leather cleaner, conditioner, and protectant. But first I am going to take all of the junk out and then vacuum. Well, I started cleaning the back, and then I was like, yeah, let me just take the seat out, and I'm gonna actually cut around a lot of the carpet that's just torn up, just so it's easier, but we're gonna replace all of it soon. So here you go. Alright guys, well, overall the floor is pretty nice, so I'm gonna grab the vacuum cleaner and start vacuuming everything up. So the back is all bolted in. The seat is on, all clean back here, so done right there. Now let's move on to the front and middle. So I'm gonna start with vacuuming up all this stuff over here and just get it nice and clean. All right guys, so it's finally time to clean these dirty seats. So I'm going to use the interior detailer first. All I'm going to do is spray it on to all the surface. I'm going to wipe away. Okay. Now you want to let that sit for like 10 seconds or so. I don't know. Take a thing. All right, that's already taken away a big chunk of it. All right, now for the serious stuff. So what it says is you got to shake it well. All right, apply a small amount, which to a clean towel. All right, so this stuff we got to put on a towel. I'm gonna go grab a clean towel because those are dirty. All right, got a fresh microfiber. I'm gonna apply it to the microfiber like so. And I'm gonna set you guys over here. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that, literally. So I did not clean this and I cleaned here. Look how much better that is. Dang, that stuff works great. All right, now to continue using it. Wow, what a difference that stuff made. Look at this. Still got a little bit of stuff, but I can't get this out of the seat. But there was a big line over here, that's gone. And the seat is so much cleaner. I think whatever is left in there is pretty much embedded into the leather and there's no way I'm gonna get it out. But I'm very happy with that. I also cleaned up the door panel and that's it. Truck is clean, which means it's now time to enjoy it. So I'm gonna go grab my drone, gonna take the truck and go cruise a little bit, so we'll see you there. Alright guys, so just came over here to this little spot next to the shop so I could fly the drone around. I hope you guys enjoyed that footage. The truck's running and driving pretty nice. Still needs that alignment, and it's gonna get one. But for now, just gonna cruise it. Wanted to give you guys some nice B-roll of the truck. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, if you guys like this video, please smash that like button. It really helps me out. If you aren't yet, please subscribe to the channel. We have content coming almost every single day. Put a lot of work into it. Please subscribe. If you got any questions, comments, drop them down below. What do you think we should do to this thing? I think maybe it should become a 4x4. Might need a new motor. I don't know. What are your opinions? Let us know. As always, if you want to get some cool merch like these hats, this shirt, all other types of stuff, fordera.com, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, I also wanted to let you know that we are still having the pre-order open for the new Gold Dust t-shirt. If you guys want to head over and get one, we offer these in 12 different colors. They're super cool and they're $25 with free shipping. You can help us support getting Gold Dust back on the road, which is #1 priority around here because we need to start driving it. We also have this hoodie. The hoodie is $45 with free shipping. It's a zip-up hoodie. It's a Gildan and it's super comfortable. And then if you guys just want to help out and support a little bit, we even got these cool stickers. They're $5 with free shipping. fordera.com. Thank you guys so much.